Hello, welcome to LinkDistrict. In this video, I will teach you how to make radish juice that helps you when you have severe cough problems. It also helps with getting rid of mucus and helps you with digestion. Now let's get to it. First, the materials we need is a knife, radish, a peeler. It doesn't have to be this type of peeler, just any peeler. A jar, honey, it can be any honey, and this a small cup or spoon. I got this radish at a Korean market, so if you ever need to make this, just go to a Korean market and you'll find this. First, step 1, you cut the tip because you don't want this. Like this. And then, open your trash can right here, and then right here actually. And then you use your peeler thingy to peel it. Satisfaction. It's time to cut the radish in circles, and then you cut it into 4 pieces. Also, guys, I wanted to tell you guys that the juice helps get rid of mucus and digestion. So if you're ever sick, I would definitely recommend you to use my mom's recipe. So much easier. Now it's time to cut this into 4 pieces with a smaller knife. This. You cut it like this, and then you cut it like that, so you can see it. Doesn't have to be perfect, because you're not gonna even eat this. You're just gonna, you'll find out later. Alright, it took me a lot of time and effort to cut all of these into these little 4 pieces of a circle. Now it's time to put it inside of here. You can always have a bigger jar and put a lot more if you have a jumbo-sized radish. I think I have a little bit too much. There you go. Let's see if this thing can get on. And see if I can close it. Now it's time to put the honey up, since I tested if it works, if I can literally close it. Let's just say that I filled the whole jar with honey, and then you get your cap, you seal it tight so no air goes in or out, and you put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for 1 day, and then the next day you come back, you look for this, and then you will see that the radish, inside there's juice, and that will all fall and then be in the bottom of the container, and will also be mixed with honey that you filled the jar with. A couple days ago, I pre-made this because if I just use the one I just made, then I'll have to wait another day. So I'm just using my pre-made one. This is the final product. And then to drink it when you're coughing, you just open this. You have this little jar or cup. You take it out. You have a spoon. And just fill the whole thing with it. All right. Let me just do that. Testing 1, 2, 3. Let's see how good it is. Tastes a lot like honey. Yeah, it just tastes like normal honey. So when I was really coughing a lot, this really helped me, and I'm gonna give my mom a little try. Thank you. And make sure you watch. Make sure you make